Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to show you a nifty trick to remove silence from an audio track. If you've got a podcast or any kind of audio that you're just trying to trim down and remove the dead air, this is an awesome tool to get started with. I'm going to jump onto Podcastle.ai and open up a new project. So that's where we're at right now. I've got an M4A file that I'm just going to drag right in here. And this is super, super simple. Just going to make sure this is unmuted so you guys can just take a listen. It's a bunch of keyboard commands and a whole lot of dead air. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to take you through. So we kind of want to quickly remove all this dead stuff. So what we're going to do is I'm going to duplicate the track, and I'm going to mute that. And then we're going to right click and click on silence removal. And this is going to process and trim the track down so that it's almost like a seamless audio track. It sounds really good, and it's not going to have like that dead air that everybody wants to avoid. All right, so now we've got our new track, and we could already see that it's a lot shorter than the other one. And it does keep in the lower stuff because there is technically noise here. I'll just play it again. But it does actually jump right into whatever the content is.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to take you through the best, and I'm screen recording, so things are a little bizarre on the screen, so please don't mind that. But just to jump in, this is my timeline. I just brought in my DVR footage, which is right here. That's my goggle.
And we could already see that this track is a lot shorter. Now, before I let you guys go, I just want to show you guys another neat trick that this thing can do, because it's not just silence removal and trimming, but it can actually also auto level and do this like magic dust AI. So let's try the auto leveling first. I want you to hear the difference between the two. So we're just going to duplicate that track again. And now we're going to go to auto leveling. We're going to apply that and see what it comes up with. All right, we've got our auto level track. Let's take a listen.
Back to the channel. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to take you through the best shots that I've gotten with the Avata 2.
Now we could already probably tell that the audio is a little louder. Let's try the original.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to take you through the best shots that I've gotten with the Avata 2. Now, this is not going to be a typical review video. I've already done one on that.
And let's just start it from there and see if there's a difference.
Now, this is not going to be a typical review video. I've already done one on that.
All right, so we could already tell, I don't know if you could tell, but I could tell, this is a lot clearer and a lot louder, but it does kind of have a slight robotic tinniness that has been applied to it, just trying to, I guess, level it out. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to duplicate the track again. That way we could just step through it. And I'm going to apply Magic Dust AI. And what Magic Dust is going to do is it's actually going to make me sound a lot better than what I normally do. So let's see if we can use this in conjunction with the silence remover and with the auto leveling feature. We'll see what it comes up with. All right, we can already see the peaks are a lot shorter than the last track. So let's take a listen.
My name is Matt, and today I'm going to take you through the best shots that I've gotten with the Avata 2. Now, this is not going to be a typical review video. I've already done one on that. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out.
Let's go back a track. Let's just listen to the auto-leveled version, no magic dust applied.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to take you through the best shots that I've gotten with the Avata 2.
And then we'll just step back again. And this is just with the silence removed, original audio otherwise.
To the channel, my name is Matt, and today I'm going to take you through the best shots that I've gotten with the Avata 2. Now, this is not going to be a typical review video. I've already...
And let's just jump right to the fixed track because this is clearly my favorite.
The channel, my name is Matt, And today I'm going to take you through the best shots that I've gotten with the Avata 2. Now this is not going to be a typical review video. I've already done one on that. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out.
And that is how you use the silence removal, the auto leveling feature, and Magic Dust AI. Just want to show you guys also that you can export this into whatever format that you need. So you can do it in FLAC, lossless if you want. You can do it into AAC, AC3, WAV, MP3, whatever you need. And as a bonus, you can even have it transcribe the audio, which is really cool. And what it's going to do is either spit out a docx file for Word or PDF, whatever you need, and it will share that for you. So you can actually get the text document of this. Please let me know in the comments down below if this is a helpful video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I'll be coming back with a lot more tutorials. And let me know if you want to see the transcription feature. It's really cool stuff. It's really good for SEO too.